KSA's 48-hour ban postponed for 2 days after Gaikangam is sure to release the students by Monday. Women vendors threaten to intensify agitation unless 5 KSA members are released. And people alleged dead beneficiaries are given less quantity of rice under National Food Security Act. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Kangleipak Students Association has postponed the proposed 48-hour ban for 2 days. The ban was supposed to start from 5 p.m. today. HRD Secretary of KSA Angauton Kuman stated that the decision was taken following an assurance by Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam, who also holds home portfolio, that the arrest students will be released by Monday. 6 representatives of KSA, KIL and CLK met Deputy Chief Minister at his office chamber. Angauton added that the Home Minister also assured them of taking stern action against the 2 shop owners involved in the food adulteration. However, Angauton insisted on imposing the 48-hour ban from 6 p.m. of Monday if the government fails to keep its word.
Deputy Chief Minister na KSA ki thomising ase condition amata yaudana lagliba koi Monday tang 3 sida hadokani haina thajaba pirakpadagi koi jene strike postpone tawuni karuma condition yaudana thadokani haina thajaba pirai basi thadok targadi Monday gi numidawairam pung 3 dagina pung 9 gi jene strike amuk tawuni aduna sarkar na pirai thajaba asi koi kai khunaba ucharga hairiba jene strike si koina postpone tawjara si thado matungda sai poyan tawriba nan Manipur se masi sarkar na athu matamda khoi singa su sarak pina bahona gadami natragadi masina maram warga amuk tungda thoninda thodok tholakpa yai.
Earlier today, protesters held a sit-in demanding release of members of Kangleipak Student Association at Kaishampat, Maying Bamlaikai. The sit-in was organized by KSA. Later, the protesters, including students of different schools and colleges and Myra Paipi members and civil society organizations from Kaishampat to Kwakitil, took out a rally shouting slogans towards the Chief Minister's bungalow. But they were stopped by the police near the Raj Bhavan. Police allowed 6 representatives of the KSA and Myra Paipi looked to meet the Chief Minister at his bungalow.
Miyo na sana riba thumda Puran Purian tawa nan Manipur ni kan khalakanda Puran basing adu masai pibam to serak piba wafam tok rakanda akoi Puran pharwa Kangleipak Student Association gi General Secretary yauna meban manga phari basi khudak asida lenga asina phajil basi thadokna miyam kholawdu ikai khumdu upi gadawni natraga di ngasi gi numit asida ga hone Manipur pumba changsil libasina strike asida akoi gi han lokthok siba komthok kani ana lokthok siba adu ba area sing adu natna akoi gi mahi masing mari lena ba akoi gi hasik 4th semester gi exam loina mari lena punamak asida effect lakadaba asi khantabiraganda akoina pamda sathajigwa jene strike asi government asina ngaibiganu.
Khwairambhan Kaithil Apunbal Lub has threatened to intensify agitation unless the government does not unconditionally release the 5 members of KSA. The women vendors are demanding punishment of the traders involved in the adulteration of edible salt. Speaking to media persons at Khwairambhan Kaithil Temporary Market, President of Khwairambhan Kaithil Apunbal Lub, Laishram Mema, questioned if there is a secret agenda behind the arrest of the innocent students who caught food adulterators while the guilty are released without punishment. She said adulterated foods cause harm to everyone in the state, including the bureaucrats and political leaders. She insisted that the government must punish the guilty under the rules of the law instead of remaining silent. The women vendors demanded the release of KSA volunteers by tomorrow and strict action against the department concerned for the failure to check food adulteration. They also condemned the declaration of former JCILPS convener Khomdram Ratan wanted.
ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯪꯀꯗ ꯐꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯣꯠꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯕꯨꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯅ ꯐꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯦꯅꯔꯤ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯚꯣꯇꯔꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯥꯀꯦ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯧ मंत्री ताके ताकचौ कईमता सोकप यारोय अइना तौगेन खंगरे तौगदबनी हाइदना केसेना चखाइरिबा चेजाइसिदा याउरिबा मरमसिना हेक अचुंब ओइरगदी वांखै केंद्रना माबु इलेक्शनदा माबु कैंडिडेट लोय थादोकबेगनो माबु सोशल बॉयकॉट तौरगा मफमदोदगी गो बैक अना तांथोकबिगा अदु नत्रदे कोइ पुनमक तुमिनरने
Nongchup, Imphal, Maira, Paibi, Lub, Nimpal closed government offices in Imphal West today demanding implementation of ILPS and removal of the wanted tag from Khomdram Ratan. Veterinary Hospital Khumbung, Commerce and Industries Lumfeld and ICM Lumfeld were closed as a part of the protest. Later, shops run by non-Manipuris along Wahingbam Leika and Nagamapal were also closed. Consumers Club Manipur has appealed to the people to report them if they come across cases of food adulteration. The club in a press release said the culprits will be punished like the culprit in Telepathy food adulteration case. It also drew the attention of the authorities concerned to scarcity of petrol ahead of an economic blockade. One-day panel discussion on Manipurda Food Security Act Narabada Matungda Manipur Gilongmi Miyam Uhelakpa Yaba Impacting was held today at Institute of Cooperative Management, Lumfelpat. The panel discussion was organized by All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association. Experts and agriculturists from various parts of the state took part in the event. Resource person expressed the apprehension that farmers might decide to abandon farming as it is not very profitable. They maintain that the state will continue to depend on other states for food grains if farmers stop producing agricultural products after the implementation of Food Security Act.
atop economic activities ga ai complete to ya da karam to gani hai wakal lo ai progressive pattern di wakal lo mo de gadi ya wa ga
Manipur Organic Mission Agency, Moman Aromatic Medicinal Plants and Socio-Economic Development Society jointly organized one-day training cum interaction on organic farming. The program was held at Bangalwand Community Hall in Churachandpur. Experts explained the importance of organic farming to the farmers. President of Star Sporting Club, Porompat Pangal Lairak, Abdul Razak, has alleged that beneficiaries are given less quantity of rice during distribution of rice under the National Security Act. Speaking to media, Abdul said the agent Muhammad Amir Khan distributed only 3 kg of rice per head for priority household instead of 5 kg per head, while they distributed only 20 kg per household for AAY card holders, although they are entitled to 35 kg of rice. He also stated that the agent told them that the quantity of rice had to be cut down as some underground outfit has deducted some percentage.
KG kunthra manga pigadabadura kokta kun gaktang pirakpa sigi matangda koina thijanjarubada mana underground gi haidi mi singna ka aure haibagi wapam thamokpa mana laikai de singna bai mawngina noina RTI da katkera MLA da katkera any mafam da kalluso da katate haiba Food Security Act ki matangda hojik sugumba asoiba lakribasi Food Security ki makhada leiriba authority na athu matamda miyeng changbiduna afaba masi onthok pinanaba aina koigi club ki side tegi haijari.
The people of Kurai urged the Kurai MLA to ensure that the beneficiaries get the food security cards and the exact quantity of rice is provided to them. Kurai Local Council CPI has warned of protests along with the people of the area if the MLA fails to act on time. Meanwhile, Youth Progressive Organization in a press release alleged that beneficiaries have not been provided the right quantity of rice by the agent at K3 Bengund in Ketigrao constituency, and the people have stopped distribution of rice. Kongpal Students Club Porompat DC Road today cleaned the Kekru Pat Memorial in connection with the observance of the Great June Uprising Unity Day on June 18. Around 100 volunteers under the guidance of Kongpal Students Club President Ningthaujam Shyam Sundar Maitai, who is also the treasurer of All Manipur United Clubs organization, cleaned the site. Chingmerong Maninglaikai Shinglob, under the aegis of Directorate of Family Welfare, organized one-day awareness program on law on preconception and the prenatal diagnostic test at Sinam Shyama Devi Town Hall today. The awareness program aimed at preventing predetermination of gender during pregnancy and female feticide. Speakers at the awareness program spoke on PC and PNDT Act 1994. Directorate of Family Welfare felicitated women who have maximum number of girl child and presented with cash awards. Director of Family Welfare Dr. K. Rajo said programs are being launched at the grassroots in different places to raise awareness on the declining female sex ratio not only in Manipur but in whole India as per the 2011 census.
2011 na latest census na nupi masagi kaino si masingji 914 oiba unpa masana 1000 oiba matamda all Manipur gi oina khoigi amadi all India gi oina nupi masagi habe 0 to 6 years ki nupi masa sing ji sum handarakpa masina yakhoida nungdang mabo phawba ada nupi masa sing sibu ngak senana ba nupi sing sibu empowerment pidana afaba sinjak pijadana moijibu yokot piba koi save the girl side koigi PC and PNDT ek asibu violate tobiganu haina aina akang haisi mayam da aina hajari loinana parja sing at the grassroots level le pi angang punamang su ahlam kuding su gyan tabiu.
To the residential camp on leadership training, legal awareness and women empowerment organized by Kuki Students Organization, Chandal District concluded today at Reed Training Hall in Nungaurok Village. KSO General Headquarters President Pauting Thang Lupeng, KSO Chandal District President Daumang Haukip, church leaders, students and several resource persons attended the event. Let's take a short commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Admission open.
Position holders kaya puthokraba.
National Excellence Awards for Schools Panglaba, Brazilan Institute of Sciences School Moirakom Impalda.
2016-17 session ge 11 science da ming chanan aba form thaba hokjare.
Pangliba maki matungina khudong chaba sing pijari. OBC, MOBC, SC, ST singi khudong chaba sing thamjari. Brazilan Institute of Sciences Moirakom Impal.
ITC की वजह से ना फाउंडेशन में दी रिवीजन कोर्स सिंह दा सब्जेक्ट सिंह को मचान खाने तक भी बंग में दी मॉक टेस्ट में दी टेस्ट सीरीज क्या ना आई नगासी फंगली वासी दा यहाँ में चावल में देखा
My success is the consequences of the hard work, patience and sacrifice given by the qualified teachers of ITC and the mock test series.
Build your success BYS Palace Compound Machalema School.
16 की मेट्रिक परीक्षा दा 6% ताबा मंगरे पसी ना बाबा हमसुंग BYS कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट अनिमत क्रेडिट से बिजनी BYS की हॉस्टल दा ले जाना BYS की फाउंडेशन से रिविजन कोर्स अनिमत यावर का माय पाक कोचिंग मंगरे खिवन.
Admission is going on.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. State Councillor BJP Patsoi Mandal Chungkham Bijoy today extended financial assistance to R.K. Thampasana, who is suffering from bone disease, osteomyelitis and undergoing treatment at Jennings since May 6. Chungkham Bijoy has been supporting 37-year-old R.K. Thampasana from Tera Sapam Lairag in Patsoi constituency ever since he was detected with the disease. Thampasana thanked Bijoy for his generosity and support in her fight against osteomyelitis. Chungkham Bijoy said everyone can contribute in whatever way he can to help each other at a time of suffering and grief and create a sense of oneness and brotherhood amongst all.
I aduki mating nungai hai tare hana diko ai asam boram de adu aham dai tamo bijoi se chungkhang ki nam dada ji thina jab dai mana thopidan lebak mayam sibidan ai to se yam nungai
koi Manipur da leiriba kachin koya da leiba punamungna ana yek
ngamjadraba upai lejadraba punamapu aikoi miyam punamuna angamba mateng piduna makoi mayambu mimana naba amatu ina himinanabagi lambien da pusanbiba asi tangai phadi angamba mateng pangjari bse ana ye amna mawong tadaba phibam tadaba government na tawigatoba pot mayam tawidaba ubidaba kaya ama lebase masi manipur miyam punamunasu mafang khudimukta leba khudimunasu putopiu amadi miyamda masak takpiu.
Iramdam Kanba Apunba Lup Ikal President W. Luang Laima has appealed to all concerned, especially Band supporters, not to prevent the participants of Kunai Yokhatpi Ima award distribution and felicitation of excellent government school teachers scheduled to be held tomorrow at Manipur Press Club. Speaking to media at his office at Uripo Khoshnam Laikai, Laima stated that Ikal also supports the legitimate demand of Kanglai Park Students Association, for which a 48-hour band has been called from 5 p.m. today. However, Laima hoped that KSA volunteers would allow free passage for those who are taking part in the event during the band tomorrow.
Ikalna sinjaba Kunai Yokhatpi ma amadi government school ge afaba waja sing ikai khumnabagi thoram chahi gi oina numit asida pangthokna lakpa thoram oibna June 29 nomajing numit hayeng asi soidana pangthok cheragani thoram asi KSA na takauriba ban pungni puni pan gi ban asi gi mayokta natte ban ase ikana su sawachari lonena Manipur Press Club ta pangthok kadoriba ikai khumna jabagi thoram se yaw lakpiba da athingba pibidana ba ban mu kawirba mayamda khoina appeal tawjabatuni.
Two-day career guidance program kicked off today at AMSU office on DM College campus. The program is organized by Manipur Students Association, Chandigarh. It is being held to help students understand the fee structure of educational institutions in Chandigarh, boarding and other facilities available. Cookie Students Organization Moray held a career guidance counseling program for students in Moray on June 10th. The program was conducted with the support of Organization for Development of Indigenous People. Students who have passed class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by State and Central Board were also felicitated and presented with memento and traditional shawls. Top 10 of HSLC and top 5 each of HSSLC from science and art streams and distinguished achievers were Manipur State Legal Services Authority MASLSA held National Lok Adalat today at Uripok Chairap Court Complex, Taubal Court Complex, Bishnupur Court Complex, Senapati Court Complex, Chandal Court Complex, Churachandpur Court Complex and at None SBI branch, Tamenglong district. A total of 259 cases were disposed out of 1,168 cases taken up. MASLSA also informed that the observance of World Day Against Child Labour, which was scheduled for tomorrow, has been postponed due to the prevailing law and order situation. The Secretary Board of Secondary Education, Manipur Bossam, had notified that Teachers Eligibility Test TET, which was scheduled for June 12, has been postponed due to unavoidable circumstances. A new date for the test will be announced later. New office bearers of Ipathaukok today took charge at a function held at Ipathaukok Shangland at Naramthong on Uripok Kangchub Road. Ex-President and Jilangamba, Ex-Secretary K.H. Kumarjit and Ex-Treasurer S. Imocha were presented with farewell gifts. The new office bearers are S. Birachandra, President, T. Bankas, Secretary and Y. Badal, Treasurer. CG Hospitals today organized a free cervical cancer detection camp from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Free OPD consultation and screening for problems related to cervical cancer were provided by Dr. Subodho and Dr. Daneshwar Pizam, consultant gynecologist of CG Hospitals. Free cervical pap smear test, hepatitis B and C, HIV and ultrasound screening were the highlights of the camp. Free pap smear test was sponsored by CG Foundation. Now some sports news. In a league match of the first state-level Open four-men's soccer tournament, GSFC Keshampat beat LCDC Lilong Chaching Mamang Laikai 2-1. Rabindra netted 2 goals for the winners in the 10th and the 22nd minute of the match. 14 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Narankonjing Sporting Union at its ground. Western Sporting Club A Ngai Rangbam won the second 7-a-side Village Open football tournament. In the final match played today, Western Sporting Club A Ngai Rangbam beat Laisha Lemapokpam 4-2 to lift the trophy. Lok Sabha MP Dr. T. Maina, Kaungthaujam MLA K. Sarad, among others, attended the closing function. Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, is going to organize an association and affiliated members cricket tournament of under 16, 19 and 23 boys in July this year. BCCI's junior national selectors would form a team of the Northeast from Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. The selected players will participate in under 16 Vijay Marchand Trophy, under 19 Binod Mankan Trophy and under 23rd Colonel C.K. Naidu Trophy. Intending players are asked to report with their age certificate at the office of Manipur Cricket Association, Luang Sangbam, from June 11 to 15. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. KSA 48-hour ban postponed for 2 days after Gekangam is sure to release the students by Monday. Women vendors threaten to intensify agitation unless 5 KSA members are released. And people allege that beneficiaries are given less quantity of rice under National Food Security Act.